Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I am going to show you how to service reset Hyundai i10 2015, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that manually. Before we start, if you want to help us develop more videos, you can subscribe to our channel, Service Reset My Car, and a thumbs up if you like our videos. Okay, as you can see, this is a Hyundai i10 2015 model, and I'm going to show you how to reset this. First of all, you have to turn the ignition on to the second position. Then there are some buttons on the steering wheel. Yes, we have these buttons over here we're going to use, and as we can scroll through the menu, you can use this button to show the service indicator on the menu. It says 365 days or 20,000. I did it a few minutes ago, and I'm going to show you how I did it, so you can do it for yourself if you want. Okay, once you are here, by going through the menu, so we have to find this one, yes. Then we have to press this button till the indicator blinks. Yes, it's blinking now. Let go, press again, and wait for it. Wait for it to blink and stop. Yes, once that has stopped, you'll see that the indicator for the service has been done. If you have any questions about any model car on how to service reset that manually, you can ask me or on the comment area. And if you like our videos, thumbs up, please subscribe if you want to join us and help us develop more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.